Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple one-pot rice, which means I'm going to cook my rice on top of my meat and vegetable. Alright, so let's get started. What I've done is I've chopped 2 large onions and soaked my rice for about 2 hours in warm water. Okay, let's go ahead and take my cooking wok and cook my meat and vegetables. With my wok, I've taken some oil and I'm heating up my oil. To that oil, I'm going to add now 2 or 3 star anise. I'm using peanut oil and I've taken 2 large. Next, I'm going to add my onions. Nicely saute my onions. Now to my onions, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, around 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and nicely saute that as well with my onion until the rawness of the ginger garlic paste disappears. We'll now add some green chilies. You can add as many as you want, how much you can take heat. Alright, and then I'm going to saute that as well with my onions. Next, I've added about 250 grams of ground beef. You can use any meat of your choice. You could use ground chicken. You could take ground lamb. You could also use shrimps, whatever you want. So I'm going to take now ground beef and saute this with my onions. Next, I'm going to season this with my chicken seasoning. I'm going to use about 1.5 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoon of the chili sauce that I made, chili garlic sauce that I made at home. A nice 2 teaspoons. If you haven't yet got the recipe of this sauce, I'm going to share this in the description. The link will be on the description. You can use this as well. So I've added my chili garlic sauce now to my meat. Okay. Next, what I'm going to add is green peas. That's 200 grams of green peas. So quarter kilo mince and quarter kilo ground beef in fact, and 200 grams of green peas. Everything now seems to be sauteed really well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten this up my rice. So the sauteed, you see how the rice has now become nice and plumpy. So I'm going to take this rice and I'm going to just lay it on top of it. And lower my flame. What I've done is I've added around half a cup of water now and added that to my rice so that there's enough of liquid to cook the rice. And now I'm going to cover this and leave it to cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes in its own steam. It's been now 15 minutes that my rice was steaming. Everything seems to be cooked perfectly fine. Just going to mix everything up now. Look. Rice is nice and fluffy. So let's see it closely how well the rice is cooked. If you like my recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also ensure that you click on the like button if you like the recipe. Also don't forget to click on that bell icon so in future if you need recipes like these, you'll always be notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my recipe. Have a nice day.